Okay. Okay, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have found, what did we found?
I don't know.
We found, like,
Here.
oh, God. Okay, I'll zoom in a little. These are, like, weird strawberries things. Well, they said they're not strawberries, right?
Yeah.
We found these. Let's go some, and then we're here playing woods, right?
Yeah.
Subscribe for all of us. We're going to keep on doing adventures for our videos, right? I feel bad, but we have to make a video without Jacob.
Yeah.
Right, Freddie? But that's the bad news.
Yeah.
The good news is that we found something for our video today. Today's Sunday, right? We're at church, right?
Yeah.
And we're our strawberry picking.
Now we
And there's the abandoned bus right there, right?
Yeah.
The abandoned bus, Mister. Yeah, that's the abandoned bus we have. We don't know, but like this church was here like since 19, like the 19s. It was here.
Yeah.
But then we bought it, right?
Huh?
And then it turns out cool. We have a little cool view. Okay, looks like it's gonna rain more later, right?
Huh?
And then when it rains, there'll be bad news, right?
Yeah. And now these things.
But right now it's not raining. It doesn't look that bad.
There's some flowers.
Jason, say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. This is Jason's first time in our YouTube channel, right?
Yeah.
Why did they came back? What? They live close.
Look, we found these things.
We found these red, purple things.
I see some more.
Come on, let's continue making our videos. All right.
Okay.
So look, wait, let's go smash them over here. Like the old. This is how does it? Oh no! I think they ate them. I think the bugs took them. The bugs took them. Look, they left the pile over here.
They're taking them. We have to destroy them.
We have to save their lives, actually. I feel
Wait.
like.
Oh my
wait,
God.
wait, come.
They're all
Come.
strawberries. They're not strawberries. Yes. Look.
Oh, where? Let me see.
Look. He's getting strawberries. Look, Loud. Look, Julie.
It's actually not strawberry.
What is it? I don't know. Look, that's how it comes out.
It looks like a strawberry. Maybe don't pick any more out.
They can be poisonous.
Yeah, they could.
We're not gonna pick them up. We're only gonna destroy them with a stick, alright? They might be poisonous. Comment down below if you... Did you two literally left your lollipop there?
It's Paul.
Oh, sad.
They're
the lollipop.
barely taking them.
It looks like we're at camping. I have my old shoes on.
Yeah.
Jason is here. He's just chilling with us, right, Jason? We caught SpongeBob just like a second ago, right?
Yeah.
And he said like, I'm gonna kill you. Like if we're friends with what's his name? Patrick.
Yeah.
And if we're friends with them, he said he's gonna kill us, but I don't get it because Squidward
What
is
is
like
this
kind of his
thing?
friend, right?
What is this?
I don't know, but look, I found something even better. Ooh, they're gonna crash. Yeah. Look. Freddie, come. We found this little baby. Isn't that the baby angel or something holding a plate? I don't know. Don't throw it. And we're just here, just chilling.
Ready, guys?
Outside, just playing, right?
Don't you do it.
Highlight over here.
Oh, here's some strawberries.
I'm not gonna do over here. Guys, but ooh, look at traffic. Look, guys, look, traffic. Guys, a light bulb.
Wait, let me see. Don't touch it. Here, give me it.
What
give me
is
it. Let me
this?
see. No, it doesn't work. Okay, it doesn't work.
Dada, you're on YouTube.
Hi, guys.
Guys, look, there's like this is wait, give me this.
Ah! I breaked it.
What is
I
this?
I breaked it.
Okay, here, come on, Freddy. Let's break it up in here. No, Freddy.
We're here playing with Mother Nature, right?
Okay, here.
I breaked
Put it right here. Let's put
And
it
I will
here.
continue
Here, break it, Freddy.
making
Break
a
it, break
video
it, break it, break it.
almost every time we have church. Or sometimes when I'm at home. Oh, bro, I just stepped on this. I stepped on the... Dad. And right now we've been recording for 5 minutes already.
Here, Freddy, give me that stick. I want to dig right here.
Ew! 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 Ew!
Give me.
Ew! Ew! What the heck is this?
Give me.
This is
Give me
like
a
a
stick.
baby angel or something. This baby angel's dead, bro. Ew. Ew. Sorry, guys. If you're eating, you can't see this. But if
You
you
should probably
are,
skip it.
you can probably skip it.
Okay, here. I saw
Oh.
this hole. Right here, look.
What? Ew.
Ew, ew, ew. This place is just not disgusting, but ew.
Laura, give me it.